Ejaculation is when semen is released from the penis.
Premature ejaculation is when you ejaculate too soon, typically before sex or right after starting sex. Premature ejaculation is usually caused by anxiety, other emotional issues, or sexual inexperience.
Premature ejaculation often causes stress for couples. Therapy can help most men delay ejaculation. Premature ejaculation is almost always caused by anxiety, other emotional issues, sexual inexperience.
If you haven't had sex for a while, you're more likely to ejaculate prematurely. Premature ejaculation is having an orgasm too soon, usually before penetration or very quickly afterward.
There aren't other symptoms. Behavior modification therapy can help lessen your anxiety, teach you ways to delay ejaculation.
Doctors also may have you do things to make your penis less sensitive, such as
wearing a condom during sex, putting numbing medicine on your penis before sex. If you seem very anxious or upset, doctors may prescribe antidepressant medicine. Delaying ejaculation. With practice, almost all men can learn to delay ejaculation for 5 to 10 minutes or longer.
These techniques teach you how to be aroused without ejaculating. Stop and start technique. Stop sex when you feel you're about to have an orgasm and then start again after about 30 seconds. Squeeze technique. Stop sex when you feel you're about to have an orgasm, then squeeze the tip of your penis for 10 to 20 seconds and start again after about 30 seconds.
You may try these first while masturbating. Later you can do them with your partner.